Hey, I'm Oliver from Vanguard, and in this video we're going to take a look at how a raised safety platform that would usually take over 2 weeks to deliver in concrete was able to be delivered in 2 nights using our modular rubber system. T-Pire Place is a busy road with over 10,000 vehicles per day travelling up and down it, and a nearby business had a staff car park across the road from their premises. There were concerns raised by staff members who didn't feel safe crossing this road. So at this point the business had 2 options. They could either leave it, do nothing and live with the risk, or they could start to look at some solutions that could give their staff a safe crossing point. So they got in contact with the local road controlling authority and started exploring some solutions, one of which included doing a raised zebra crossing built out of concrete. This was a good solution in terms of addressing the safety risk. However, there were concerns raised as to how expensive and how disruptive this project could be. Building raised tables out of concrete can sometimes take upwards of 2 or more weeks to build, and with the disruption and the traffic management costs associated with it can sometimes be in the couple of $100,000 mark. So they started to look at ways they could deliver the same safety outcomes but in a more cost-effective and efficient way. We'd been working with Auckland Transport for a while on developing a modular rubber solution that could speed up the construction of raised safety platforms. And this project presented a great opportunity to speed up the innovation work and get to a compliant design that met Auckland Transport standards while delivering the required safety outcomes with less disruption and lower cost. So we started working with the designers. They sent us through the project plans and we got to work configuring how we could build this table using our modular system. From there we provided some CAD drawings, plan views and 3D renders that would help them to visualise how this would look on site. And this process was critical because an important part of the project involved how the raised platform will connect in with the footpath. So we were able to come up with a clever design of combining our modular rubber platform with concrete tie-ins at the footpath to achieve a level platform. Another important part of this project was our ability to innovate and build a new mould for the ramp markings that would meet Auckland Transport compliance. From when the project was signed off, we were able to deliver the entire kit set within 2 days to their contractor, and the contractor was then able to complete the installation over 2 night shifts of 6 hours each. The reduction from taking 2 weeks to 2 nights means less traffic management costs, less disruption to the road network and a lower total project cost, all while still delivering the same safety outcome. So once the installation was finished, the road was able to be reopened to traffic straight away, and from the next day staff were able to use a designated safe crossing point across the busy road to get to their work premises. So while it was great to see an innovative approach used to deliver safety outcomes at a lower cost, at the end of the day the big win for us was seeing the business go from being concerned about their staff crossing this road every day to being confident and assured that their staff have a safe and designated crossing point to get to business every day. So if you're facing similar challenges with road safety and you're looking for a safe and cost-effective solution, get in touch with our team and we'll take you through the process.